Homes washed away, people displaced, lives lost. The northern regions of India have witnessed very heavy rainfall in the past few days, with rivers in Punjab, Haryana, Himachal and Jammu flowing above the danger levels.
जो बांडीपुरा का एक रिमोट एरिया है, अपर बेल्ट है और उसका नाम कुडारा है, वहाँ बादल फटे थे और उस वजह से हमने देखा जितने भी रूट इस नाले का है, रिन नाले का है, वहाँ पानी में इजाफा देखने को मिला।
The southwest monsoon has wreaked havoc in Punjab, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh. As per IMD, Punjab has recorded 1272% excess rainfall this week, with 48 mm rain against a normal of 3.5 mm. Haryana registered 702% excess rainfall, with 28.1 mm, while Himachal Pradesh saw 554% excess rainfall, with 42.5 mm against a normal of 6.5 mm. From August 1 to 25th, Punjab recorded 20% excess rainfall, Haryana 14% and Himachal Pradesh 44%. Since the start of monsoon on June 1, all three states have reported surplus rainfall. Himachal Pradesh has suffered from landslides and flash floods. Thousands of Mani Mahesh pilgrims were left stranded in Chamba.
पिछले 2 दिन से हिमाचल में भारी बारिश ने मनाली, कांगड़ा और चंबा में बड़ी तबाही मचाई है और बहुत अधिक नुकसान हुआ है। नेशनल हाईवे पूरे के पूरे 400 मीटर के बह गए हैं, 300 मीटर के बह गए हैं, 50 मीटर के बह गए हैं। निश्चित तौर पर इसकी जानकारी हमें जब मिली तो हमने लोगों को वहाँ से निकाल दिया था। तो मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि जितना आर्थिक नुकसान हिमाचल प्रदेश को हुआ और इसका मुख्य कारण क्लाइमेट चेंज है और इसमें ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के कारण जो क्लाइमेट चेंज हो रहा है ये अभी हिमाचल प्रदेश में नुकसान पहुँचाएगा। आने वाले समय में ये जो हिमालय रेंजेस है, चाहे उत्तरांचल है, चाहे कश्मीर है, जम्मू कश्मीर के जो ये है, इस दृष्टि से बड़ा नुकसान हिमाचल प्रदेश को हो रहा है।
NDRF has rescued over 3,200 pilgrims so far. In Jammu and Kashmir, new rainfall records have been set. Udhampur received 629.4 mm of rainfall, while Jammu 380 mm. The Jhelum River breached the flood alert mark in Anantnag and Srinagar as water entered residential areas. In Punjab, over 2,000 people were rescued from flood-hit Firozpur district in 2 days. CM Bhagwant Mann visited Gurdaspur district and directed the deployment of helicopters to deliver relief material. In Hoshiarpur, over 8,000 acres of farmland in 44 villages were submerged. The water level in Pong Dam reached 1,393 feet with an inflow of about 1.62 lakh cusecs. Chhattisgarh has seen 5 lives lost and over 2,000 people relocated in 4 districts of the Bastar region. The low-pressure area over the Bay of Bengal is not expected to affect West Bengal directly, but a monsoon trough is expected to bring heave rains to Arunachal Pradesh and the northern parts of Bengal. Southern parts of India have not been spared either, as low-lying areas of Kamareddy, Medak and other districts in Telangana saw heavy rains. Bangalore has been a victim of waterlogging, and the IMD has issued an orange alert for coastal Karnataka districts. As India faces the wrath of monsoon, the Indian Army has been successfully carrying out rescue acts, deploying the ATOR N1200 Specialist Mobility Vehicle in Amritsar and airlifting stranded people in various districts. In fact, Army is constructing the Bailey Bridge to restore connectivity at 4th Tawi Bridge in Jammu after floods washed away portion of road.